Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is God's voice speaks to me all through the day. The part of your mind in which truth abides is in constant communication with God, whether you are aware of it or not. Our second message today is Lost Lands, Soul Memories and Gifts. You have done this before. The world is far more ancient than our documented history suggests. As souls, many of us have experienced ancient eras on this planet that were much more advanced than ours today. As we begin to remember these times, the rememberings and gifts can come flooding back. At this stage in Earth's timeline, we need the wisdom of the ancients to survive as a species. You are being called to connect with the lost wisdom of your own soul. If you feel guided to make a change in your life, to step into a new career path, birth a creation, or bring an idea to life, but feel unprepared, this card is calling you to consider that you have done this before. Perhaps your soul has wisdom beyond what your lifespan can imagine. Perhaps the intuitive hits and the ideas you are receiving are divinely guided. Perhaps you have been preparing for this time. Some think that lost lands exist in the past. Others believe that they exist today in a different dimension. I believe these ancient lands also exist in the souls of those who experience them. If this card comes to you, perhaps the wisdom of the lost lands such as Lemuria, Atlantis and Avalon exists within you. And through surrendering to the intelligence of your own soul, you can unlock the seeds of these ancient lands so we can all learn from our mistakes and usher in a new age. This is an activation card, and the activation is place your hand on your heart and whisper, I unlock any forgotten wisdom and soul gifts from lifetimes past. When you go in meditation and when you connect with your own soul, your higher self, you will remember the gifts and what your soul has already done, the wisdom of the soul. So go within and ask your own higher self to give you that wisdom and that memory so that we don't repeat those mistakes and we are better prepared to bring in more advanced ideas, more advanced knowledge in this world, on this earth, which is required at this time of ascension. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.